Have you ever wondered what will happen to the universe? How the planets, the stars, and the galaxies will look like on timescales beyond human comprehension? I'm here to answer that question. Welcome to the fifth episode of The Universe in Magnitudes, where we look at the future of the universe by increasing the timescale one order of magnitude every video. Today, we will be exploring the universe 10,000 years into the future. Starting in the solar system, let's look at Sedna. Sedna will have completed roughly one orbit around the Sun by now. While Sedna is currently relatively close to the Sun, its orbit takes it out over 900 astronomical units, and that's why it takes so long to orbit the Sun. No one is sure why Sedna's orbit is so eccentric. One theory says that its orbit might have been perturbed by a star passing very close to the solar system, while another theory says it could be the gravitational effects of Planet 9, an unconfirmed planet in the outer reaches of the solar system. Maybe we will find the explanation to Sedna's orbit sometime in the future. If Planet 9 exists, it will probably also have completed an orbit by now. Like I said before, Planet 9 is a hypothetical planet that is speculated to exist far outside of the orbit of Neptune, at 500 to 1000 astronomical units from the Sun. If it does exist, it will likely have completed at least one orbit around the Sun by now. Planet 9 is suspected to exist because of the weird orbits of objects beyond Neptune, like the orbit of Sedna, which I mentioned earlier. It is, however, still purely theoretical, and it will remain that way until it is directly photographed. Planet 9 is a really interesting subject that I will definitely be making a video on in the future, so make sure to subscribe. In 10,000 years, the Great Comet of 1680 will have returned to the inner solar system. This comet was one of the brightest ones seen in the entire 17th century, and because of that, a lot of paintings of the comet were made, so it is very famous. By now, it will have completed a full orbit and will have returned to the inner solar system, once again lighting up our night sky with a beautiful view. Because objects travel slower the further they are from the Sun, most comets are currently far outside the solar system. This means that there are likely many other comets that have orbits around 10,000 years long that are currently just very far out. Looking beyond the solar system, we will find that the night sky will look noticeably different. Because all stars orbit the galaxy in different ways, stars are constantly moving, getting closer and further away from the Sun. In 10,000 years, Alpha Centauri will be in a notably different part of the sky. It will appear brighter as it will have moved closer to the Sun. It will, however, still not be the brightest star in the sky. That will still be Sirius. Barnard's star will also be at its closest point to the Sun at 3.85 light years, and will start moving away again shortly after this period of time. Polaris will also not be the North Star anymore, it will be Deneb. This is due to the axial tilt of the Earth slowly changing. In 10,000 years, the universe will look noticeably different from our perspective than how it does today. The objects far outside of Neptune's orbit will start completing orbits, and stars will be in different spots of the night sky. But this is nothing compared to what is to come. Every episode we increase the timescale by an order of magnitude, meaning that the changes will get more and more drastic. So make sure to subscribe if you want to know how the universe will look like in a billion or quintillion years. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.